Welcome to ninth video of this interview playlist. How do you duplicate identity values in SQL Server 2025? Let's get started.
How to duplicate the identity property values. Simple and straight. Let's do it practically. Create a table. Insert some data into the table. Yes, initially identity gives you sequence value. Here it is 1,01,000, 1,02,000, seed comma increment. Okay. Yes, you get perfect nice sequence 1,01,000, 1,02,000 like this. Now how to duplicate identity values? We need to set identity insert on. Once we have the identity insert, here it is. Insert into table name, column names, values. Okay, column names, values. Observe carefully. Next. Okay, here we are inserting a duplicate value. See, the 11 got duplicated. Yes, identity values can be duplicated. So by default, identity means sequence. Don't say unique sequence, simply say sequence. There are multiple ways to duplicate identity values. I'm showing you one of them. Sometimes during deletions also, say you delete some data. Next time you try to insert some data again. Then also the identity values may be duplicated. It depends. Next, you try this option carefully, this small option, how to duplicate identity values, insert and values directly. This one, it should work. Give a try. You can also try to insert same value multiple times. For example, something like AI and Copilot, a different course like this. Remember, it should be off. If it is off, sorry, on, it should be on. It should be on. Then only we can do the inserts. At the end, it should be off. Okay, follow the sequence carefully. Once the identity insert is on, then only we can insert our own ID values. Yes, it can be duplicated. It is one possible option. Other possible option, you try to delete some data.